Happy New Year, Team GCI. I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's GCI Market Outlook, let's take a look at Forex trading on WTI Crude Oil, Eurodollar, silver, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. Welcome back to trading in 2025. We had been watching the rise and fall of the Santa Claus rally, and we are wondering if it is now time to buy the dip. Before we look at that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. If we look at the NASDAQ daily chart, we see price action falling for 5 days and a risk-on mood today. Also, the stochastic oscillator showing bearish momentum is slowing and looking at a reversal. We can see that this bullish trend channel with price action somewhere near the lower trend line. We can also see that the 23.6% Fibonacci level is key as both support and resistance, so watch for a break or a bounce. We see an almost identical story on the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, except we are looking at the 38.2% Fibonacci level. On the Dow Jones, we are having trouble determining the value of trend lines and channels, so watch the key levels and potential patterns. We won't have any major news until next week, and we will review this on Monday. Analysts are getting ready for Euro-dollar parity again, and they may be right. We see price action falling since this double top in September, and price action is now in the $1.02 area. We have to move out to the weekly chart to see parity in 2023. To enter a short position, it might be advisable to wait for a pullback or set a very wide stop loss. Looking at the daily chart on silver, we see a falling wedge, which can be a bullish pattern. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we see a range trading sell opportunity with resistance and the overbought stochastic oscillator. With the US dollar so strong right now, a short trade might be prudent. Yesterday's WTI inventory numbers were much lower than expected, so price action is rising. We are now at the upper trend line and the stochastic oscillator is overbought and thinking about crossing. We might be looking at a short trade. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.